Please do not use this while operating machinery. Keep safe in a quiet, comfortable place of your choosing. You might notice how simply being here already begins to shift something inside. Perhaps your body has been waiting for permission to pause, and now it can. Take a long, easy breath in and a slower one out. That's right. Let the breath begin to guide you inward, toward calm, toward rest, toward your own quieter center. Each breath invites a little more peace. Each exhale releases a little more weight you no longer need to carry. Now, imagine before you a soft path and be absorbed in a windy walkway through tall trees or open fields, and the air is warm, fragrant, and kind. You begin to walk along this path, experiencing the gentle rhythm of your steps, the solidness of the earth beneath you, the steady pulse of life supporting you, and within each step it brings you deeper to yourself, deeper into calm, deeper into this emotional healing hypnosis. You arrive at a clearing, a place that feels safe, sacred, and filled with light. And perhaps you can see it. Or maybe you can just experiencing the feeling of it. A space within where kindness has always lived. At the center of this clearing, there's a pool of clear, still water. Sunlight dances upon its surface, and you can experience the feeling of a subtle warmth in your chest, as if the heart is remembering something ancient and pure. It has always been there, patient, quiet, waiting for your attention. You might imagine now gently placing your hand over your heart. As you do, experience a soft pulse, steady, rhythmic, alive. Each heartbeat whispers, "I am here. I am healing. I am enough. Let those words echo through you like ripples through a pool of your being. As you breathe, that gentle energy expands, warming your shoulders, your arms, your face, your entire body, spreading compassion to every cell. Now, as this kindness flows through you, it may begin to touch places within you that once felt tight or closed or unseen or unheard. And you don't have to force anything here. Just let the kindness reach them, like the sunlight finding its way into the shaded corners. And perhaps you'll notice emotions moving, a wave of warmth or a quiet sigh of release. All of it is welcome here, because healing doesn't always mean changing. Sometimes it simply means allowing. So allow this kindness to soothe the tired parts of you, the parts that have tired so hard, the parts that longed for rest. Let them rest now. Let them be held by your own gentle awareness. This is what relaxation for self-love truly feels like, while the body softens, the heart opens, and the mind quietening. And as you drift even deeper now, you may begin to realize that the kindness you seek from the world has always lived within you.